Today we will see how a basic body block which is converted into princess seam panels is used to create a anarkali. We have to decide first what full length we need for our anarkali. So we will keep the draft on the fabric. For today's project I want to keep it 50 inches. So I will mark somewhere at 50 inches plus 1 inch for the fold in the bottom. At that point, I will mark a straight line. The end panel of my anarkali, I want to be 30 inches wide. So in front, I will have 3 panels 30 inches each, and in back, I will have 3 panels 30 inches each. So my overall hem or the overall ghera for my anarkali would be 180 inches. So mark 50 here and 1 centimeter for the margin. I will align my draft and these 2 points are of no use, so I'll just iron them. So here I'm outlining my draft and simultaneously I'm adding seam allowance to it. Seam allowance of 1 centimeter. Now from the waist round, I will straight connect to the hem of my anarkali panels. And that's how I want it. Now outline the neckline and add quarter inches of seam allowance to it. Once this is done, we can remove our draft and with the help of either pattern master or any curved scale, smooth out all the corners that are created because of darts. So for the side panel, I need 30 inches hem since it is not on fold. And from the midpoint of this 30 inches, that is from 15, I will mark a straight line up. From hip line to the hem, the length is 28 and a half. So at 28 and a half, I will mark my hip line. And on this hip line, I will keep my draft hip line and start outlining it. Add seam allowance. Extend the waistline. Okay, now the waistline point I will directly connect to the panel points. And seam allowance point I will connect to seam allowance point. Like this. This is fold for the hem. Now again with the help of curved scale, we have to smooth out all the edges which are created because of darts. We need smooth curve of princess seam like this. So this was my center front and this was my side panel in the front. This is how it looks. Remove these panels and we can cut the fabric. We have to minutely follow our seam allowance lines and cut both the panels. So these are my side panels. This is my center panel. We'll quickly write on panel so that once all the panels are cut, we do not get confused. This is my front center panel, and this is my front center panel. If you open center panel, side panels will be attached on left and right side of it, like this. This is how it will be attached. And once the middle portion is also attached, we will get that beautiful Anarkali shape. I will keep it aside for a while. Take another layer of fabric, iron it well. There should not be any wrinkles on our fabric. Now I'm drawing a straight line. On this line, I will mark one point at 15 because my panels I want 30 inches long. And my hip line will be at 28 and a half. Mark the hip line. And on this hip line, I will align hip line of my draft. In the same way as we did in the front, outline the pattern and add 1 centimeter seam allowance all around. This is neckline. In neckline also we need 1/4 inches of seam allowance. Again, the seam allowance point from waistline we will connect to seam allowance point on the panel and the waist round point to the panel point. Panel hem point basically. I have drawn waistline and hip line. Smooth out all the corners. We need to contour it there so that we get that perfect princess shape. Now I'm drawing another line. On this line, I mark 2 points, one for the seam allowance and one for the panel. This is 30 inches long, and from the midpoint, that is 15, I will mark a straight line up. On this line at 28 and a half, I will mark my hip line. On this hip line, I will keep my back side panel. And again, the way we did it in front, I will outline the draft, and along with it, I will also add my seam allowance. Here I'm outlining the armhole and the seam allowance. From the side, add seam allowance. The waist seam allowance point connect to the panel seam allowance point, and same from the other side. Draw waistline and hip line just for our understanding. Smooth out the edges. And we can cut the fabric. Now this is my back side panel. These are my front panels. I'm just writing every panel I'm writing where it goes so that I do not get confused. And this is my back center panel, back side panels. Two of them, one would go on left and one would go on right. Once we open this is how both the panels will be attached. Okay. This was lining fabric, so we have to cut all of these pieces into main fabric. This is remaining fabric from the lining. From here, I'll be able to take out my sleeves. Fold the fabric. Yes, from here I can take out my sleeves. I'll just cut the excess, which I do not need. From the other side also. With the help of iron, I will make a nice crease for the sleeve center. Now align your sleeve center with the crease on fabric. Keep some fabric weight over it so that our pattern and fabric do not move. Outline the sleeve draft and at the same time add margin to it. This is side fit. Now we will cut it. It looks very cute. Open the sleeve. We also have to mark our front curve. Open the pattern also and see this excess what we can see is our excess in the front. Trim it off. Nice. And give a notch so that we know this is our front. Mention it if needed. Front, back. Flip it and on the other sleeve also mention which is front and which is back. This is my fashion fabric or main fabric for today's project. Give it a good iron so that we do not have any wrinkles or folds in the fabric. The fabric is folded and this is open end of the fabric. From open end, I will take out side panel. First, I have front panels with me. This is side panel and from the folded end, I'll take out center front panel. Cut it. Keep it aside. Cut the side panel also. Now from this patch of fabric, I can easily take out sleeves. So these are my sleeves. Now again take remaining fabric and from here we will take out back panels. Back center panel will be cut on folded end of the fabric and back side panel we will cut on the remaining portion of fabric. keep it aside. This is my back side panel, and I'm cutting the main fabric. You would have noticed all the panels I have kept in one direction because my fabric, the print, the design on the fabric has got direction. This may lead to more consumption of the fabric, but when your fabric has direction, we cannot help. So these are all our cutouts for Anarkali kurti. Thank you.